The ocean is a vast and bountiful ecosystem, home to countless species of flora and fauna. Among the many treasures of the sea, there's one that stands out for its versatility and deliciousness: clams. In this video, we'll take a closer look at clams, their nutritional value, their different types, and some ways to cook them. Clams are a type of bivalve mollusk that live in saltwater and freshwater habitats. They are filter feeders, meaning they extract microscopic organisms from the water to feed themselves. Clams are an excellent source of protein, low in fat, and high in vitamins and minerals. There are many types of clams, each with its own flavor and texture. The most popular types of clams include little neck, cherrystone, top neck, and quahog. Little neck and cherrystone clams are small and sweet, while top neck and quahog clams are larger and have a more robust flavor. When it comes to cooking clams, there are many ways to enjoy them. The most popular ways are steaming, baking, grilling, and frying. But before you cook them, you need to know how to clean and prepare them. Cleaning clams is easy. First, rinse them under cold running water to remove any dirt or sand. Then, use a stiff brush to scrub the shells. Finally, shuck the clams, removing the shells and discarding any that do not open. Steaming is one of the simplest ways to cook clams. In a pot with a tight-fitting lid, add some water, white wine, garlic, and herbs, and bring it to a boil. Then, add the clams and cover the pot. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, until the clams open. Serve with butter, lemon, and crusty bread. Grilling is another great way to cook clams. Preheat your grill to high heat. Then, place the clams on the grill, shell side down. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the shells open. Remove the clams from the grill and serve with your favorite sauce. For those who prefer something crunchy, fried clams are a classic. Coat the clams in flour or breadcrumbs, dip them in egg wash, and fry them until golden brown. Serve with tartar sauce and lemon wedges. Whether you enjoy them steamed, grilled, or fried, clams are a delicious and nutritious seafood that can be enjoyed in many different ways. So next time you're at the beach or the seafood market, don't hesitate to try them out. Your taste buds will thank you.